Hello Virtuous family, welcome to Virtual Gist and Skills. My name is Nancy. In today's video, what we have for you is how to make eggplant sauce with pasta. This is the sauce on the heat. This sauce you are seeing tasted so yummy and delicious. I cook it just exactly the way my mom taught me many years back. Meanwhile, if you want to know how I came up with this delicious and yummy eggplant sauce for pasta, rice, yam, potatoes, just name them. Let's dive right into the video. The recipes we have for the eggplant sauce are set on the table. As you can see, we have our eggplant which I have diced already. You can use this eggplant that I'm using or our normal Nigerian garden egg, they all goes. This eggplant sauce have two different ways of making it. Either you blend the eggplant fresh and cook, or you dice it just the way I did, boil it a bit and zoom off the cooking. I got sliced onion, diced fresh tomatoes with fresh blended chili pepper on top, smoked fish, garlic paste, curry powder, dry thyme, salt to taste, seasoning cube, all-purpose seasoning, and palm oil. You can as well use vegetable oil. Okay, now let's start cooking. I got my pan on the heat already. I will pour my diced eggplant and then add a little water to it, then spray it out with a cooking spoon and then cover it to simmer on a medium heat for 5 to 6 minutes. This is after 5 minutes, Virtuous family. Let's check the eggplant and see how it's doing. As you can see, the eggplant is doing well and is good to go. Remember, you can remove the eggplant peels if you want, but trust me, even if you don't remove it just as I do, the texture is very soft, tender and good after cooking. This is what we got here. As you can see, we are going to trash the liquid. Okay, Virtuous family, please pardon me, I missed the clip of where I mashed the eggplant. Okay, please just bear in mind that I mashed the eggplant off the camera after pre-cooking it. This is my palm oil already in the pan. I will not bleach it much, and then add my diced onion, after which I will stir and stir until the onion releases all the liquid from it. Next, I will add my fresh diced tomatoes and my blended fresh chili pepper, and I will stir very well. Remember that fresh tomato have a lot and lots of liquid. In as much as we don't want to eat a raw food here, as an African people we are, we allow the fresh tomato to release the liquid by covering it, giving it like 10 to 15 minutes to cook well. Okay, Virtuous family, the tomato has been on the heat for 10 minutes now. Let's check it out. The float of palm oil on top of it indicates that the tomato is well cooked. Now I am stirring it, as you can see. After stirring it well, I will then add my smoked mackerel fish, after which I will add my garlic paste, seasoning cube, curry powder, dry thyme, all-purpose seasoning, and salt to taste. These are my choice of spices. You can use any spice of your choice, and I am stirring it, as you can see, one more time to combine very well. Okay, next I will cover the pot and allow the recipes I just added to marry themselves. You understand what I mean? This is after 5 minutes, Virtuous family. The sauce is really reporting well. You see this smoked mackerel fish, oh my gosh, I will enjoy it to the fullest. Can you see to the goodness I'm talking about? Look at that goodness. This is lovely. I will add our basic recipe for the day, which is our eggplant, and I will stir very well to combine. Remember that you can skip the pre-cooking of this eggplant and add it directly after dicing it, but I'm just cooking mine the way my mom do cook it so many years back, as I earlier said in the beginning of the video, and we do use it to eat yam. Now I will check and balance the taste, and I find out that the taste was excellent. Next, I will add some boiled egg. Virtuous family, please pardon me, I forget to mention this recipe earlier before now. but this recipe is totally optional, okay? And I will cover the pot and allow it for 2-3 minutes, and I will get back to you. As the eggplant sauce is on the fire cooking for the last time, let's just flash the pasta we are going to use to eat the eggplant sauce. You can use any shape of pasta of your choice, but this is my choice of pasta for today. Okay, this is enjoyment galore. Finally, this is the end result of the sauce. Righteous people, can you see the goodness? This is lovely. This is good. On this junction, virtuous family, our eggplant sauce with pasta is ready. Let's go to the table and do it some good. Wow, virtuous family, this is the finished look of the eggplant sauce with pasta. Can you see the goodness? This sauce and pasta tasted so yummy and delicious. You can as well eat this sauce with yam, potatoes, plantain or rice. They all goes. Please try out this recipe and give us your feedback in all our social media handles as usual. Hope you enjoy every clip of this video today. If you do enjoy it, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel with a notification bell to be notified anytime we upload a new video. Share this video to families and friends and drop your comment. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in our next video. Bye bye.